Did you know red wine can be good for your health? It's because the grapes used to make the wine contain resveratrol, a polyphenol that promotes longevity by protecting every cell in your body, including your heart and brain. But because this longevity nutrient is hard to absorb, getting the amount of resveratrol your body needs from wine alone would put you over your limit. That's why we created Resveratrol Elite. It provides your daily amount without the other effects of all that red wine. Formulated with 250 milligrams of highly bioavailable trans-resveratrol, Resveratrol Elite is absorbed easier by your body. And we've maximized this longevity superstar's potential health benefits by encasing it with a special hydrogel coating that makes it 10 times more bioavailable. It's vegetarian, gluten-free, non-GMO, and manufactured in the USA. So, raise your glass to a longer, healthier life with Resveratrol Elite from Life Extension.